All right, sixth graders, this video is to help you with question 4 on your second CR. It says, look at the number line below. Draw a star on the point that best represents 10.4, or 10 4/10. On which point will the star be? Okay, so here's the deal. The first thing you have to know is how these are divided up. So I'm going to, because there's so many dots over here, I'm going to go between 9 and 10. So I'm going to look between 9 and 10 and just see how many parts it's broken up into. It's broken up into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. Okay, so this must be, this part right here must be 9 1/5, 9 2/5, 9 3/5, 9 4/5, and then up to 10 gets you 9 5/5 or 10. So I'm just going to write that in. So this is 9 1/5. This part right here is 9 2/5. This right here is 9 3/5. This right here is 9 4/5. And then 9 5/5 gets us all the way up to 10. So I just wanted to make sure you understood how the number line was broken apart. Whew. All right. But this point right here, 10.4. 10 4/10. 10.4 is the same as 10 4/10. Okay. Our number line's broken up into fifths. All right, so this is 10 4/10. We can actually simplify, and there's more than one way to go about this problem, but we can actually simplify 10 4/10. In simplest form will be 10 and I could divide my numerator by 2. If I'm dividing my numerator by 2, I must also divide my denominator by 2. That will keep an equivalent fraction, just in simplest form. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Therefore, 10 4/10 is the same as 10 2/5. So we need to see on this number line, now that we know it's broken up into fifths, we need to find out where 10 2/5 is. So this right here is 10. This is 10 1/5. And then this right here is 10 2/5. Letter G. The star would be at letter G. G is 10 2/5. Which is exactly the same as 10 4/10. So that's what they're looking for. They're looking for point G. Hopefully that helps. J didn't have a shot. It's greater than 11. All right. Hopefully that's helpful to you. So the key on a number line, figure out how many parts between the two holes it's broken up into. And then at that point, take your number and see if you can rewrite it so that it can match one of those parts. I hope that's clear enough.